Today's lesson will tell you something about Montenegrin's culture. Montenegrins are believed to be lazy people, which is not completely true, but they do tend to shorten sentences, and this reflects also in their language. Anyhow, businessmen say that if you want something to be done fast, then employ someone who is lazy, because he will find an easier way. Now you will see an easier way of Montenegrins to communicate among each other on the street. The shortest version of Montenegrin conversation on the street. I will tell you the whole part. Two guys meeting on the street. So they say to each other, "Eh, eh, ah." So let's try to translate. Although I guess you know the meaning of these vowels replacing whole sentences in Montenegrin everyday conversation. So let's see the translation. Hello, meaning zdravo in Montenegrin, or zdravo, pronouncing zdravo, zdravo. Meaning how are you? Translated in the Montenegrin, it is kako si. Kako, how. How are you? Kako si. The final answer means so, or onako. Bez veze. Bez veze also means nothing. If you want to feel, in a way, a Montenegrin everyday's life, you should search on YouTube video Rade Rapido, Gdje si brate. It's official video from 2001, but since then nothing has changed. And the typical for Podgorica everyday life is the refrain of this song, which is like Gdje si brate, što činiš, evo ništa ti I ja bez veze. Let us translate part by part. Gdje si brate? Gdje means where. Gdje si, where are you? Brate, brother. Gdje si brate? Where are you, brother? And then we have što činiš. Što means what. Činiš, are you doing? This is archaical and also at the same time slang way of speaking in Montenegro. Što činiš? What are you doing? Can also be said šta radiš. It's kind of more literal, so to say, or more standard language. Šta radiš? And in the street, što činiš? What are you doing? Evo ništa, a ti? It means nothing and you. If you go word by word, evo actually means here. Ništa, nothing. A and ti, you. This is informal speaking and you have a singular form of you in Montenegrin. The plural form of you in Montenegrin is vi, and this is singular form, informal speaking. So, evo ništa, a ti means nothing and you. I ja bez veze. Free translation would be me too, nothing. I here means and, actually, and it connects most often sentences and part of the sentence. Here it is used to say, same as in English, me too. I ja bez veze. Here bez veze means nothing. Or when someone asks you, how are you? When you say onako, bez veze, it's same meaning. Onako, so, bez veze, so, not so good. So please sing and learn common hello among Montenegrins. The rest of the song find on YouTube channel. Do not forget to sing and subscribe. Vidimo se!